Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to select a fixed price menu. During the ordering process, select the menu you like to add. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to select an item for the first course. Do so by setting the respective check mark. To add a note to the selected item, tap on the speech bubble icon. To open the list of predefined options, select the book icon. To proceed to the next course, tap on Next. Then select the item for the next course by setting the respective check mark. And continue by tapping on Next. If a guest is unsure which item to choose for a course, you can continue without selecting an item. Simply tap on OK. Note, you can add an item at a later time. If an item has not been selected for each course, you will receive the information, not fully ordered. To make adjustments to the menu, tap on the menu itself to open the corresponding options. You then can tap on Modify to either change a selection of a course or to add an item for a course that is still missing an input. If you don't want to continue with the fixed price menu, tap on Split to add the selected items as individual items to the order. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to select a fixed price menu.